Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, as you guys can see, I have my Ipsy Glam bag ultimate box for the month of February. So it is here. I love this box because it is so huge. It feels like a never-ending box of products. For those of you that don't know about this box, it is $49.99 a month, but you are set to get 12 products in total, 8 full size and 4 deluxe size. And the total value of the box is said to be worth at least $250. So you are set to get a really good value out of this box. And that's why it always feels like we have so many products in here, because we do. We have 12 products in total. So let's just go ahead and go right in so we can see what we have. Why are they doing this to me? So I just finished unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and they didn't give us any product information. So I'm wondering if this will now be transferred over to their app, maybe, because they do have an app. I'm wondering if they will give us all of the information there, like a digital card. I don't know, but I like to see what I'm getting, because now they don't even give you any product information. So if you don't know how to use a specific thing that we have in here, you won't have a little pamphlet. You will most likely have to go online and search it yourself. But once I start editing these videos, I'll go ahead and look into it, and I'll go ahead and put some information in the description box so you guys can have an idea of what the heck is going on with this, because I don't know. So let's just go ahead and go in, and I'm gonna start with our little cosmetic bag. The one that we have here is really cute. It is a bigger version of the one that we got in our Ipsy Glam bag. It looks like it holds quite a bit of stuff. It's nice and soft and quilted, and it's a really pretty color. I'm assuming that they're going with the theme, with the Valentine's Day theme, because I just dropped the card. Because the card that we have here, it says, will you be our Valentine? So I'm assuming this is going to be Valentine's Day themed. So this little bag is actually really cute. So our bag, off to a good start. Up next, I'm going to grab these. I don't know if this, and see, that's why I do not like not having a card, because I don't know if these are individual items or if these are three as, like, to be counted as one. So we have some sheet masks. We have one here, ginger plus vitamin C fresh pressed sheet mask. And that is what that one looks like. We have a kale plus vitamin B. That is what that one looks like. And we have a B plus vitamin A, and that's what that one looks like. So we have 3 different sheet masks. Oh, sorry, and this one refines pores and smooths rough skin. The kale, it hydrates and soothes dry skin. And then the ginger one brightens dark spots and helps with uneven skin tone. So that is the, I'm assuming, one item. Maybe. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one here. And I'm really liking these brushes in the boxes, because now I don't have to go buy anymore. We have a brush set from Shayna B, Miami, and it looks like it's a set of eyeshadow brushes. Okay, so I managed to get 2 out. These are the brushes. They're actually really nice. It's just a black barrel. It looks like rose gold letters with this metallic thing here, and the bristles are actually really soft. So I'm excited for this one here. I'm assuming this is a full-size item because it is a brush set. Those are usually considered full-size items. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one here. This is from Skylar, and it is a hydrating body lotion with hyaluronic acid. It is in the scent Capri. It is sparkling, citrus, and sweet. So let me see what this smells like. Oh, that smells good. You do get that citrusy, that sweet citrusy scent. And it feels really good. It feels like it will like moisturize your skin really good. So that is our third item. Then up next, I'm going to grab this one. It is from Feel. It says Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. Ultra Concentrated Toning Gel. So that is our packaging there. And again, it does look like they're going with that theme because obviously this is rose. Then we have like the rose gold kind of color here. Then we have like sheet masks to pamper yourself. Ooh, that's interesting looking. Smells like straight up rose. So it looks really weird. I don't want to tilt it too much because it is a gel. But
no.
Oh.
It was going.
Oh, that was a close one. So it is a gel, but it does move around really, really quick. As you guys saw, I almost spilled it. But it looks like it has like crushed up roses in there. Like rose petals. It smells like rose. But I'm actually not going to try this one out myself. I'm going to give this one probably to my sister because I have found that rose stuff tends to make my skin break out. So I'm going to pass this one on to hers and she can let me know if she likes it or not. Next, I'm going to grab this little one here, and it is from Khalees. I think that's how you pronounce it. I think these are supposed to be 2 S's. That's what it looks like. So that's what I'm going to go with, Khalees. This is the Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. I've never tried a coffee cleanser. I'm assuming it's going to smell like coffee. Or at least I hope so. It smells a little bit like coffee. Not too much like it. But it does smell pretty good. So this one here, let me see. It just says it's supposed to exfoliate. Well, it doesn't really say what it's supposed to do. It just gives you how to use it in the back. But I'm assuming because it has the coffee, it's supposed to like re-energize and maybe even plump up the skin. I have a feeling that coffee would do that to your skin. I don't know. Up next, I'm going to grab this one. It is from Tokyo Milk, Neptune and the Mermaid Hand Cream. Ooh, oh, this is really nice packaging. So that's what that looks like. And then you actually pull this off and it is open on the inside. Let me take that out. Wait, how are you supposed to take it out? I don't want to come out. Oh, that is really, really pretty. That is what that looks like there. And let me see. I don't know what Anthomoesia is. But it just says shea butter hand cream. Let's smell this. We've been getting a lot of lotions lately, both body lotions and hand creams. And I mean, I don't mind. I use them all the time. I hate my skin being dry. So I'm actually, happy that we get all of these because now I don't have to go buy anymore. So let me smell this one. Ooh, that smells really good. This one has more of a perfume kind of scent. Like something that you would either get at like a Victoria's Secret or like a Bath and Body Works. It smells really good, but it actually feels really hydrating. I think because of that shea butter. It feels really good and it smells really, really good. So I'm really liking this one here. I'm just gonna keep going because we still have a lot of things to go through. I'm going to grab this one next. It is from Fully Fire, I think that's it. Matte manipulation, creamy matte lipstick. Those are all the things that I'm seeing here in the front. So it is a lipstick in the shade Sunset Boulevard. So let's see what the actual shade looks like. This is the inner packaging. So it just feels like plastic. And then it has their little, I don't know what this is called. Because it's not a logo. Or is it a logo? I'm not sure. But this is the color that we have inside. It is a pink mauve kind of shade. Let's see. Oh, it goes on brighter than what I expected. So that is the lipstick here in that pinkish kind of color. Okay, so next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one here. It is from Polar. You can only see half of it. I don't know why they did that. But everything looks like it's in a different language, and I have no idea what it says. Oh, the Genuine Lip Lint Cream. I don't know, but this is a lip balm. This is the packaging here. And you guys can see here in the center, it's like a different language. I don't know what that says there. But let's see what the inside. Oh, that's what that looks like. And let me see. Let me take a little bit out. Why is it not coming out? Oh, there it is. Okay, it just looks like a thick Vaseline kind of like product. So it looks like this is going to be super moisturizing for your lips. So that is another item from the box. Now I can't even keep track of what is full size and what is not. Normally I would get that information off of the pamphlet, but I don't have one. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here from Catherine Malandrino. It says Dream, and it's a perfume. So I'm assuming Dream is the scent. That is the box for this one here. So that's what that looks like. So since it's a perfume, now I'm curious to see what this smells like. So it's just a little tube, a little spray tube. So that is it there. And let me see, does it say anything back here? No, it doesn't say anything as far as like what the scent might be. But let's spray it really quick and see. Whoa, that was a lot. Ooh, that smells good. Ah, my eyes. I sprayed it too close to me and it went everywhere. Okay, so it smells good. I can't describe the scent. I think I can put it closely to smelling similar to like a Victoria's Secret kind of scent, but it smells good. I like the way that it smells. I'm the worst at describing scents. I can just say if I like it or not. So it kind of doesn't help you to know what the scent is here, but I can see that it smells good. I really, really like this one. It does have, I think I can say that it does have like a almost a vanilla type of scent. But don't quote me on that because I'm the worst. But that smells really, really good. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here. It is interesting. It is from Playa New Day Mist 3-in-1 style. Soothes creases and restores style. Neroli water, sugarcane extract. I'm just reading all the things that it has here in the front. So it just says your ultimate style saver. This fine mist works to calm unruly strands and reset style without water or hot tools. Oh, I was thinking that this was like a setting spray or something like that, but it's actually for your hair. Perfect for removing dents from hair ties or creases from sleep while keeping your blowout intact. That's cool. Because when I do straighten my hair, let me show you guys the bottle. When I do straighten my hair, if I want to pull it back with a clip or something, it will leave obviously the crease of where the clip was sitting. So according to this will actually help you get those creases out. Let me just spray it just so I can see what it looks like. So it has two lids for whatever reason. So let's, ooh. Oh, that smells good too. It almost smells like baby powder. It smells really, really good. Does it have color? No, it doesn't have any color. I thought it did. I thought I saw some color, but no, it doesn't have any color. It smells like a baby powder. So I'm actually really excited to try this one out to see if it does take any creases out without, because it obviously it's a spray. It's water or liquid without it giving me any more of my regular hair waves because, it's wetting my hair. So that is really interesting. We have two things left. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one next. It is from Violet Voss. It is the Berry Burst Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette. Violet Voss, her eyeshadow palettes are actually, or I don't know if it's a he or a she, but the Violet Voss eyeshadow palettes are actually pretty pricey. So I'm excited to have this one here because now I don't have to buy it. So this is what it looks like here, and it is obviously a mini eyeshadow palette. Oh, those are super pretty colors. So it is the Berry Burst eyeshadow palette. So you guys can see the colors there are really nice berry tones. And they give you, so you have all your berries here on the top, and then you have your neutrals at the bottom that will go great, creating a look with these looks together. So these are really, really pretty. I really like this one here. I'm going to swatch this one here really quick. Ooh, that's pretty. I really like that one. Let me go in for another one. Let me go for a matte. So I'm going to the one that's right next to it. That one there. And that's it. It went on a little bit patchy, but I think that once you blend it in on your eyelids, I think it will look a lot better. So those are just two quick swatches for this eyeshadow palette. Colors are super duper pretty. And we are down to our very last item. And this one here, I have no idea what this is. Oh, it is from Grace and Stella. This rose isn't thorny. It's a rose roller, rose quartz facial massager. That is the box that it comes in there. So I just took the plastic off. So it comes in a really, really pretty box. Ooh. So that is it there. That is really pretty. We actually recently received one of these, not necessarily from this brand, but we received I think the one that we received was Jade from the Macy's Beauty Box, and now we have this one here. This one's rose quartz, and I really, really like these. I already have one. I gave the other one to my sister, but I really like these because the stone itself is already cold. So when you put it on your skin, it feels really, really good. And it should help with like the deep puffiness, the irritation and all of that because it's cold. And when you roll it out, it just feels really, really good. So those were all the items from the box. If I get a full size or a total box value, I will go ahead and put that in here as well. So you guys get an idea of what the total value of the box was. So that is all for me for today. Please let me know down in the comments below what you think of the products. I do read my comments. I do see all of them. So I look forward to seeing the comments from all of you guys down there. Let me know what you guys think of all of this. And that is all from me for today. So I will be back really, really soon with another unboxing. And I hope I will see you guys all back here next time. Bye.